जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Thank you so much. Please take your seats. Ladies and gentlemen, Go Fashion India Limited is engaged in the development, design, sourcing, marketing and retailing a range of women's bottom wear product under the brand Go Colors. Go Colors, ladies and gentlemen, is a women's bottom wear brand in India with a market share of approximately 8% in the branded women's bottom wear market in fiscal 2020. Go Fashion is among the few apparel companies in India to have identified the market opportunity in women's bottom wear very early on and is regarded as a category creator for bottom wear. Go Fashion was the first company to launch a brand exclusively dedicated to women's bottom wear category and has leveraged this advantage to create a direct-to-consumer brand with a diversified and differentiated product portfolio of premium quality products at competitive prices. Ladies and gentlemen, Go Fashion offers one of the widest portfolios of bottom wear products among women's apparel retailers in India in terms of colors and styles. Its bottom wear products, ladies and gentlemen, includes churidars, leggings, dhotis, harem pants, patiala, palazzos, pants, trousers and jeggings, and they are sold across multiple categories such as ethnic wear, western wear, fusion wear, athleisure, denims and so on. Ladies and gentlemen, today, on this very momentous occasion, we would like to welcome the various dignitaries who have taken their precious time to join us today. We have here with us the management team and board of directors of Go Fashion India Limited. We would like to welcome them all with a bouquet of flowers. So I would invite the following dignitaries to please come on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Srinivasan Sridhar, Chairperson of the Board and Independent Director. Warm welcome to you, sir. May I request you to please come on stage. Warm welcome to you, sir. Thank you. Now may I request Mr. Vinod Sarogi, promoter, to please come on stage. Warm welcome, sir. Now may I request Mr. Prakash Kumar Sarogi, Managing Director, Go Fashion India Limited. Thank you, sir. We now request Mr. Dinesh Madanlal Gupta, Independent Director, to please come on stage. Now may I request Ms. Rohini Manian, Independent Director, to please come on stage. Warm welcome to you, ma'am. Now, please help me in welcoming Mr. Rahul Sarogi, Non-Executive Director, Go Fashion India Limited. Now I request Mr. Gautam Sarogi, Executive Director and Chief Executive Officer, Go Fashion India Limited. Thank you, sir. We would also like to welcome Mr. Hari K, Chief Business Officer, NSE Limited, to please come on stage. Warm welcome to you, sir. Thank you, sir. We would also like to extend a warm welcome to the book running lead managers who played a very integral part in the success of this IPO. So please put your hands together for Mr. Dharmesh Mehta, Managing Director and CEO, DAM Capital Advisors Limited. Warm welcome to you, sir. Please put your hands together for Mr. Amit Ramchandani, Managing Director, Investment Banking, JM Financial Limited. Thank you, sir. Now may I request Mr. Ajay Saraf, Executive Director, Head of Investment Banking and Institutional Equities, ICICI Securities, to please come on stage. Thank you so much. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, we'll now commence this very auspicious occasion by lighting of the traditional and ceremonial lamp, for which I would like to invite the following dignitaries to please join us for the lamp lighting ceremony. Please put your hands together for Mr. Vinod Sarogi, Mr. Prakash Kumar Sarogi, Ms. Pushpa Sarogi, Ms. Ruchita Sarogi, Ms. Nidhi Sarogi, Ms. Rohini Manian, to please join us for the auspicious lamp lighting ceremony. Thank you so much for the lighting of the ceremonial lamp, which will mark a new and prosperous beginning for Go Fashion India Limited. Now, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I would now like to invite Mr. Dharmesh Mehta, Managing Director and CEO, DAM Capital Advisors Limited, to share his thoughts on this auspicious occasion. Warm welcome to you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's an honor to have you all here with us today on this auspicious occasion of the listing ceremony of Go Fashion India Limited, the brand popularly known as Go Colors. On behalf of DAM Capital and the entire syndicate, I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate the entire Go Fashion's team for this wonderful IPO successful journey. As we've all been seeing over time and again, a quality deal is not dependent on market cycles, but what's important is the execution and the delivery done by the management of a simple idea, yet scaled so beautifully. We at DAM Capital feel extremely privileged to have had the opportunity of bringing yet another marquee company to the Indian equity markets. The first company to launch a brand exclusively dedicated to the women's bottom wear category. Despite a challenging market environment, I would like to highlight that the markets corrected almost 2% on the day of the closing of the IPO, yet the issue witnessed a blockbuster response from investors. The QIB book was subscribed over 100 times, the HNI over 260 times, and the retail category close to around 49 times, garnering over 75,000 crores. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the investors for showing faith in the company, in the business idea, and more importantly, the management and their execution capability. I'm sure the management team will leave no stone unturned to deliver on the hopes set by the management team. Once again, a big congratulations to Mr. Prakash Kumar Saraugi, Mr. Gautam Saraugi, Mr. Rahul Saraugi, and the entire Go Fashion team. Welcome you all and good luck. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for the opening remarks. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Prakash Kumar Sarogi, Managing Director, Go Fashion India Limited, to address this August gathering. Warm welcome to you, sir.
Good morning, everybody. On the onset, I would like to first appreciate the hard work done by my team members, all the staff at Go Colors. Without this team effort, it would not be possible to reach this milestone. I would also like to appreciate the cooperation extended, the support extended by our investors and supply chain suppliers so that we could reach this historic moment. But this is just the beginning of our vision. Till today, we have been preparing for the big occasion. From the beginning, Go Colors have been customer focused because it's a direct to customer business. What does our customer expect from us? 4 things. Variety. We have got a range of 50 bottom wears, quality and fit. We are very conscious about our quality. Most of our suppliers are already approved by top international brands like Uniqlo, Zara, Marks and Spencers. And fit, unlike most of the international brands, we cater to the Indian physique. And it's been our success point. They look at the color depth, and we provide them with a range of more than 120 colors. And the last and most important, the availability. Now we have grown 450 plus stores with about 1,500 other point of sales. And this is the beginning, because we still form 8% of the branded space. And the branded space itself is only 18% of the total bottom wear market, which is growing at 20-25% annually. So our roadmap is quite big. All this would not have been possible without a strong backend. Our supply chain, inventory management, and distribution forms the backbone of our business. To most of us, it appears to be a fashion retailer Whereas there is so much of work which happens at the back end, so much of data analytics which goes in. India is a very large country. The choices of people vary from north to south and east to west. The fit and sizes vary across the country. To most of us, it appears that the stores are same. All the 460 stores have the same goods placed in them, but it is not so. Because the preferences of the people are different. So zone-wise, the stocking is different in Mumbai and Chennai. Even in Mumbai to Mumbai airport, the stocking is different. Because the requirement of the customer is varying. And this is all possible with a very strong back end. Going forward, what is our vision? Till now, we have been doing with data analytics. We would appreciate if we could do with artificial intelligence. So that it is not zone-wise, it is individual store-wise. We would look into the requirement of the customer. Our back end is almost automated, but we would like to go at a faster delivery to the consumer. So with online being integrated to our individual store, the last mile delivery will take less than 2 days. And our aim is to make it a few hours, the delivery to our customer. I think we have got a very long roadway, and with the blessings of my elders and good wishes of all my friends and family, they are my strength. At a personal level, I draw a lot of inspiration from the Tapadia family and the Agarwal family. And I would like their blessings to go forward. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for such a warm speech. Thank you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please help me in welcoming Mr. Rahul Sarogi, Non-Executive Director, Go Fashion India Limited, to address this August gathering. Warm welcome to you.
Good morning, everyone. I would really like to take this opportunity to congratulate Prakash ji and Gautam and the entire team at Go Fashion. I think we are here to celebrate this occasion because of their single-minded focus and execution, and what they have accomplished over the last 10 years is truly worth congratulating. So please join me in giving them a big hand. I have been involved in a non-executive capacity at Go Colors, involved a fair bit in the strategy, planning, and thought process. So I'd like to share some thoughts from my perspective as to what I see Go Colors has done and what are its key attributes. I have spent 22 years of my career researching the financial markets, and one of the things I find is that there are some key attributes that distinguish companies that make it from companies that don't. And we have really tried to imbibe those at Go Colors. So I just want to talk about what are these key attributes and how I see them at Go Colors. So the first and most important thing I think that makes a company succeed is the bedrock of corporate governance. When I talk about corporate governance, it is a 360-degree mindset. It is about being a responsible company, a responsible social citizen, responsibility towards all stakeholders, your employees, and most importantly, your shareholders. Especially in the public markets, a management is a fiduciary for the trust given by minority shareholders to them. And, our family, as many of you know, practices Vipassana based on the values of Vipassana. I would like to tell you that every single employee at Go Colors has that sense of responsibility to all the stakeholders around them. So I think that bedrock of corporate governance is something which I see in the company.
Beyond corporate governance, the second most important attribute that helps a company succeed is capital allocation. And capital allocation can be summarized with one word, and that is discipline. And from day one, Prakash ji has given the message to all of us. He himself is a phenomenally disciplined individual, and he has kept the entire company disciplined. So when it comes to matters of capital allocation, the company invests aggressively where it needs to and is frugal, avoids frivolous diversifications, expansions, and is very disciplined. You know, we have focused on building a real earning, real cash generating business, and I think that that is going to hold the company in great stead going forward. Moving past that, what is very important, and I think it is very important at the occasion where we are here today at the company's listing, is a mindset of scalability. One of the things that I have found is that as a company goes through its journey of scaling, there is a saying, what got you here is not going to get you there. And a company really has to change its DNA as it gets past every milestone. And I think at Go Colors, I have seen that, at every stage in the company's journey, the management, the employees, they have played out of their skin and have really changed themselves to take up the challenge for the opportunities going forward. Each milestone is a celebration, but not a rest stop. And I think that is the value system that the company imbibes. And finally, I think nothing can be achieved without focus. If there is one thing that Prakash ji has taught all of us and given all of us is that focus. Many questions have been asked about the category, the focus on the category. Any category, any business, the opportunities are endless. As long as the execution team is focused and does not get distracted by everything that comes along the way, the destination is inevitable. So I think that Go Colors imbibes that quality of focus as well. So, summarizing, the taller you want to build a building, the deeper you have to go to build the foundation. I think the previous 10 years, Go Colors has spent its time building its foundation, and now with this milestone, it's time to build the skyscraper. I want to share the example of the bamboo plant. The bamboo plant is called the fastest growing plant in the world because in a span of 90 days, from the time the shoot comes out of the ground, it reaches its entire height. But for a period of 3 or 4 years after you plant the seed, nothing happens. All the growth is happening below the ground. And then it is only then that it starts to become visible. I believe that Go Colors is at that stage in its journey. The strong value system and foundation has been built. And now I would like to wish the management the very best to build the skyscraper ahead. This is just the beginning. And we thank all of you for your blessings and support. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing the journey of the company. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite on stage Mr. Hari K, Chief Business Officer, NSE Limited, to share a few words. Warm welcome to you.
Mr. Srinivasan, Mr. Prakash Surogi, Rahul, Gautam, directors of the board of the company, ladies and gentlemen, what a fantastic day today to see this company listed on one of the largest derivatives exchange in the world. So let me take this opportunity to formally welcome you to the NSE family of listed companies. We are in the IPO spree now, but not all IPOs got oversubscribed the way you've got oversubscribed. If you take in 21, you'll be one of the top 7, top 8 IPOs in terms of oversubscriptions. That's again tells you about the company. So I've seen a lot of your 450 stores in airports and various places, but I was very surprised to note today that each store has got a specific customer requirement and a specific stocking. You know, that's one thing which I learned new. We also focus a lot on customers, but what you brought onto the table today was enlightening to us. Fantastic to have a company listed on NSE. Every listing is special to us. Every listing is a new listing. It's a journey, as a lot of you said, it's a start. Yes, we are there at the start, and we'll be there with you throughout the journey. As NSE, we have a fantastic team who will support you in all your future capital requirements. And please let us know wherever you're going, we'll be there. Thank you very much, and best wishes.
Yes, sir. I request you to please be on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, to commemorate the significance of this event, we'll now have an exchange of mementos. So I request Mr. Hari K, Chief Business Officer, NSE Limited, will present special mementos to our esteemed dignitaries. To receive the memento from Hari, sir, may I request the following dignitaries to please come on stage. Mr. Prakash Kumar Sarogi, Managing Director, Go Fashion India Limited, and Mr. Gautam Sarogi, Executive Director and Chief Executive Officer, Go Fashion India Limited, to please come on stage. May I request the gentleman to please be on stage? Gentlemen, please be on stage. Yes. Now I'd like to, request Mr. Prakash and Mr. Gautam, to present the special mementos to some very special partners, and now to present the memento to Mr. Hari K from NSE. Yes. So let's have a huge round of applause, please. Thank you. Yes, I may request you to please be on stage and present the mementos to the partners whose contribution have been invaluable in the successful listing of Go Fashion India Limited. So may I request Mr. Dharmesh Mehta, Managing Director and CEO, DAM Capital Advisors Limited, to please come on stage. Warm welcome to you, sir. Now may I request Mr. Amit Ramchandani, Managing Director, Investment Banking, GEM Financial Limited, to please come on stage. Now may I request Mr. Ajay Saraf, Executive Director, Head of Investment Banking and Institutional Equities, ICICI Securities, to please come on stage. Now may I request a representative from Shardul Amarchand Mangaldas & Co., legal counsel to the company and the promoter selling shareholders. Warm welcome to you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. May I request a representative from Indus Law Legal Counsel to the BRLMs to please come on stage. Warm welcome to you, sir. Now Now may I request Mr. Arun Ohri, Ad Factors Advertising and Ad Factors PR Communications Partner to the offer, to please come on stage. Warm welcome to you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Now may I request Mr. Manish Murlidhar, Deloitte Haskins and Sells Statutory Auditors of the company, to please come on stage. Well, welcome to you. Thank you. Now may I request a representative from KFin Technologies Private Limited, Registrar, to please come on stage. Well, welcome. Thank you. Thank you. On that note, thank you, sir, for doing the honors. Thank you. Thank you. Also, we would like to acknowledge International Legal Counsel to the offer, Hogan Lovells, Lee and Lee, for their great contribution in making this IPO a success. Ladies and gentlemen, now I would like to call upon Mr. Amit Ramchandani, Managing Director, Investment Banking, JM Financial Limited, to say a few words. Well, welcome to you.
I'd like to start by thanking the Go Fashion team, Prakash ji, Rahul ji, and Gautam ji for giving us an opportunity to work with them. Would also like to thank ICICI Ventures and Sequoia for appointing us as one of the banks. We always believed in the Go Colors story and always knew it's going to be a big success. Our stand is vindicated by the response that investors all over the world have shown to the offering. The offering being 135 times subscribed. Not only was it subscribed very highly, but we got subscriptions from all the bigger FIIs and the mutual funds and all other categories, including retail and HNI. It's a great company, Prakashji, that you've built. In the last 10 years, you identified a gap. You've managed to build a company and do what most of the other companies haven't done in decades. My congratulations to you on that. Gautam, we'd especially like to compliment you on building and coming out with the offering. I remember in September when we wanted to do the issue, you said you would finish it by November. Hats off to you for completing that. Today is 30th November and we are listing. My congratulations to you on that. Your responsibility today has grown many folds. You've had a few investors. Now you carry with you the responsibility of more than 75,000 shareholders. I'm sure you have always done justice with your investors, and with the trust investors have shown with you, they will grow with you in the times to come. With this listing, you're going to be in the top 500 companies in India in terms of market cap. We hope and are confident that you will continue your journey and become one of the largest companies in India. My hearty congratulations to the entire Go Fashion team for making this listing a success. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir, for your well wishes. Ladies and gentlemen, I would now like to call upon Mr. Ajay Saraf, Executive Director, Head of Investment Banking and Institutional Equities, ICICI Securities, to share a few words to this August gathering. Well, welcome to you.
Good morning, everyone. Today's listing event marks a historic moment in the journey of Go Colors. On this auspicious and momentous occasion, on behalf of ICICI Securities, I would like to congratulate everyone who's been part of this journey to make this listing ceremony and the listing of the shares a huge success. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Mr. Prakashji, Gautamji, Rahul, in their relentless efforts and visionary leadership to bring Go Colors to a position where they are today. Despite the volatility in the market over the last few days, a few weeks, huge success of the issue and the scale of investor response across all categories of investor classes is testament to a resilient model of Go Colors, its leadership position, and the strong governance framework which Rahul spoke about. Also, I would like to thank Sequoia team, ICICI Ventures, and the senior management team of their significant contribution, and also giving us this opportunity to work in this IPO. Last but not the least, I would like to thank the SEBI, the exchanges, my fellow bankers, legal counsels, auditors, marketing agencies, registrar, all other advisors, and of course, all the investors at large in journey of making Go Colors public. I convey my best wishes to the company as it embarks in the journey in creating significant shareholders value as a listed entity for 70,000 odd investors as a family they have right now. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, now please help me in welcoming Mr. Gautam Sarogi, Executive Director and Chief Executive Officer, Go Fashion India Limited, to present the vote of thanks. Warm welcome to you.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for coming. Sorry, I'm a little emotional, so bear with me. Today is a big day in the journey of Go Colors. The big moment for us came in 2014 when we did our first fundraise with Sequoia Capital. I think it was a time when we started believing in our business. When someone else could think important of our business and invest, it was a big moment for us. And that is when the growth journey actually started. After Sequoia came in, we as a team, we as a company team have really worked hard. It's a team effort. Me and Prakashji have obviously worked very hard, but the entire team has put in a lot of effort to come in and build this company what it is today. Special thanks to Sequoia Capital and ICICI Venture. They are true partners to the company. They are like family to our business. Without them, we couldn't have achieved what we did today. It was a joint effort of all the board members, Prashantji, VT, GV, Gagan, Sharad, everyone. I think it was a joint effort of building the strategy of the company and building where it is today. A big moment came for us when we started planning for the IPO. We were sitting in April and May, me, Rahul and Prakashji were discussing about taking the company public. We didn't know whether this company could go public. But we went ahead. In 5 to 6 months' time, we went ahead and crossing all barriers, we became public today. It couldn't have been possible without the joint efforts of the entire team. I would like to congratulate my team, Mohan, Gayatri, Arul, Rao, and so many others. A special applause for them. I think it was a great effort at their end, without which it wouldn't have been possible. There are many others who have been involved. The BRLMs, JM Financial, ISEC, DAM, they treated this like their own company when they wanted to take us through this process. Endless number of nights they have spent ensuring that our document is ready and to be filed with SEBI. And I think when we saw others work as hard as they did, it was a sense of joy for us. I would also appreciate the legal counsels, Sam, Indus, and HL. They have put in countless hours of hard work in getting this deal up. I think we couldn't have done it without them. A special thanks to the board of directors, Sridhar sir, Rohini, Dinesh uncle. I think they were available at us for whenever we wanted any last minute board meetings in this entire process. I think it was very nice of them to accommodate and help us through this journey. I would also give a special thanks to NSE for hosting us, giving us this opportunity to have this joyful occasion. I would like to also thank our statutory auditors, Deloitte. Deloitte has been very helpful through this entire process. They had a busy season ahead, but still they accommodated and ensured that things go well for us. I would like to also give in a special note for Ad Factors. Ad Factors built the advertising strategy for us during this IPO. Their advice on how to go about it has really helped us market this IPO in the public domain. I would also take an opportunity to thank my family, the pillars of my support, so without which it would have been impossible. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, sir, for such a beautiful vote of thanks. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment that we all have been eagerly waiting for has finally arrived. Yes, you heard me right. The very historic moment where we will see Go Fashion India Limited that will see itself listed on the stock exchanges of India. So, ladies and gentlemen, for the gong ringing ceremony, I would like to invite the following dignitaries to please join us on stage. So please put your hands together for Mr. Vinod Sarogi, Mr. Prakash Kumar Sarogi, Mr. Rahul Sarogi, Mr. Gautam Sarogi, Mr. Hari K, Chief Business Officer, NSE Limited, and may I also request the dignitaries and distinguished guests to kindly gather around the bell for the bell ringing ceremony, please. Yes, we're just 2 minutes away, and we'll also be having a really interesting countdown just before the listing. So I request everybody to please have a countdown with me. It's a customary countdown right here. Yes, till then we can have a photo op, please. All right, we're just a minute away from the historic moment. All right, ladies and gentlemen, be ready. We are just a few seconds to go. I can see precisely not more than 30 seconds to go. All right, the countdown has begun, everyone, and I would like to invite you to join me in the final 10 count, which we are going to do now. All right, leave a few seconds to go. All right, so everyone, please join me in the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, oh my God. Hearty congratulations to Go Fashion India Limited, which is now officially listed on the National Stock Exchange. What a proud moment for all of us. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, on that note, wow. Let's once again have a huge, thunderous round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. What a milestone that we have achieved. On that note also, let me tell you, we are extremely grateful to NSE, the book-running lead managers to the issue, members of the board, family and friends, well-wishers, shareholders, and all of you who took time to celebrate the momentous occasion. But there is one more noble cause for the celebration today, and it is the birthday of Mr. Madhusudan Agarwal, Vice Chairman, Ajanta Pharma Limited, and also Neelam ji. So I would request both of them to please come on stage for the cake cutting ceremony, and request everybody to please join right there. So ladies and gentlemen, please, just for a couple of minutes, may I request everybody to please take their seats, because we'll be having the cake cutting ceremony. Now may I request Mr. Madhusudan Agarwal, Vice Chairman, Ajanta Pharma Limited, and Neelam ji, whose birthday we are celebrating, to please come for the cake cutting ceremony. Neelam ji, may I request you to please come. Yes, everyone, let's have the cake cutting ceremony, please. Yes, please give your best wishes to Sir and Ma'am, please. Thank you. Hearty congratulations. Also, ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you that the refreshments are served in the hall. So please request all our guests to kindly enjoy yourselves. Have tea.